This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Settings and going straight to Accounts, then Sign-in Options. This is where Windows or your OS stores authentication controls. Once there, select Password and choose Add or Change to start creating a new login secret. You should enter your current account passcode if prompted, then type your intended password twice to confirm. Make sure to pause and read any on-screen strength indicators so you don't create a weak password by accident. You now craft the password itself. Aim for at least 12 characters combining upper and lower case, numbers, and symbols. This slows attackers. Once done, consider a passphrase, 4 unrelated words glued together, for better memorability and entropy. Make sure to avoid reused passwords from other accounts and do not use obvious personal data. After you enter the new password, enable a PIN or biometric option as a faster secondary login, and consider recording it securely. In a password manager, you finish by confirming the new password and immediately signing out to test the credential. Try logging back in to verify it works. Once confirmed, add recovery options, alternate email, phone, and a backup key or password manager entry so you can regain access if needed. Enable disk encryption if available to protect data tied to the password. If you ever cannot log in, use the recovery options or boot into safe mode to reset. If that fails, a recovery key will be your lifeline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.